Welcome back. On the first day of the new year, Chainlink is showing strength. It's up like 5% January 1, 2025. Why is that? Well, it may be because tax selling has finally abated. There was major pressure in crypto heading into year end. People just wanting to harvest tax losses. Well, they were able to do that. Now that pressure should be up. So it looks like we're getting a pump, and that should over time be helped by this. December FOMC, Federal Reserve minutes, show the Fed is focused on short-term funding risks, planning $220 billion in treasury purchases to prevent liquidity strains even if rates stay steady. So they're going to backstop the market with a whole bunch of liquidity. Very good for all risk assets. They're taking the worst case scenario off the table. So some sort of liquidity crunch. Not happening anymore because they're backstopping the entire market. So speaking of Chainlink, short-term price action, whatever, here's what's actually happening. They gave their year-end update. Cumulative USD total transaction value enabled on Chainlink as of the end of 2025, $27.4 trillion. That was like 14, then it was 20, now we're at 27.4 trillion. It is an exponential uptrend. Hundreds of trillions of dollars of value. That's what Chainlink is going to be securing. Strategy shares have declined for 6 consecutive months for the first time since the company adopted Bitcoin as a treasury asset in August 20, with MSTR falling 49% over the past year. Here is the chart of MSTR. So we haven't seen this horrendous price action since MSTR did a move like this. It fell in 2020. That's what we're talking about. Well, what happened after that? It skyrocketed. It went from $22 up to $400. So short-term price action means absolutely nothing for that life-changing potential gain. We got a bunch of selling recently. We could eventually get a massive pump in the future. Remember, Bitcoin has a fixed supply.